this video, I will show you how to create and scan QR code on Snapseed. Open Snapseed. Select the image which you have edited in Snapseed. In the top right hand corner, you will see 3 dotted lines. Click there. Now you can see the option of Create QR Look and Scan QR Look. If you click on Create QR Look, you are given this QR code. It has all the changes and edits that you have made into the picture. From the Share Look button, you can share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you go back and click on the Scan QR Look, you will get the scanner which you can scan other QR codes created by Snapseed, for example. Then you can apply the changes into your current picture. And that's it. That's how you can create or scan QR with Snapseed. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.